The Briggs Riley 22-inch spinner is designed to be the perfect domestic carry-on, expanding by 25% to offer generous packing space while still fitting in most United States overhead bins. Equipped with 4 shock-absorbing spinner wheels, this suitcase glides effortlessly and quietly in any direction, making it a breeze to navigate through busy airports and city streets. For those who value organization, the suitcase features 2 mesh lid zip pockets and a built-in TSA-friendly combination lock, ensuring your items are both secure and easily accessible. The thoughtful design includes a power pocket with a pass-through USB cord, allowing for convenient on-the-go charging, as well as multiple grab handles for easy storage in overhead compartments. Constructed from high-grade materials, the Briggs & Riley Spinner is crafted for durability and comes with a lifetime repair service, offering peace of mind for frequent travelers. With its stylish olive color and sleek design, this luggage not only performs exceptionally, but also stands out as a fashionable travel companion.